My channel here, we are going to be constructing a tangent to this circle at a point which is 40 millimeters from the line. That is, that point is 40 millimeters away from this line, 0, 0 here. All right, so let's see how that can be done. So what I'm going to do first, so I'll put on the auto mode, okay? So then I'm going to draw a horizontal line from this point to this side, okay? All right, so then I'm going to draw a vertical line. So draw a vertical line. So I want to locate that point on the curve. So the distance is 40, so give it 40 millimeters, press enter key, then take it to this side, take the horizontal line to this side. So let it touch the curve and drop it. Oh. Okay, so I can drop it. All right, so that's it. So we have it like this. So the point is here. So this is where we have the point. So that point, I'm going to label it. So I'm looking at this line. Is it accurately at 90 degrees to the horizontal? So let me see. I'm going to erase it, and then I will redraw it. All right, so let me take it again. So from this point, it goes in this direction. All right, so I will drop it like this. Okay, so then the next thing that I'm going to do is that, so I'm going to label this point. So I'm going to, I will copy this. Okay, copy this. Then I will take it from here. So put off the auto mode. So then I will drop it here. All right, so then I'm going to, all right, so I will change this by editing it. So this is point P. So that's what I want to have there. All right, so we have this point as point P. The next thing that we are going to do is to take the arc. So we take this arc and we come to this point P here, and then we give it a distance of 25, which is the radius of this circle. So the radius of the circle is 25, because diameter is 50, so radius is 25. So give it 25. So I press the enter key on the keyboard. So this is it. All right, so the arc, it intersects this horizontal center line at this point. So this point, I'm going to name this point. So I'll copy this. So I'm going to name this point or label it. So I'll call this point here. All right, so I'm going to label this point. I will label it as point M. So that's what I will call it. All right, so then I'm going to draw a line. So from point P to this point, and then from this point, so I'll put on the auto mode. I will draw a vertical line that will touch this horizontal line. So the line on which the circle is rolling, which is this point. So this point now, I'm going to copy this because I want to label that point. So this point here, I will call it. So edit this. I'll call it point N. So this is point N. So we have that. So now, so I'll put up the auto mode. Okay, I've not edited it. Okay, I think I press M there. This is N. All right, so we have that. So then I will take a line. So from point N here, I'm going to draw a line. So passing through point E. Okay, so what I need to do now is to extend this line. So I will extend this line. So and take note of the angle of this line to the horizontal. Okay. So okay, sorry. So I will take this back. So I'm going to draw the line myself. I will draw the line myself. So from this point, so I'll draw the line. So this angle, so the angle at which the line is to the horizontal is 63. So I'll drop it here. So now, so this line that we just drew is going to serve as a normal to the tangent. Okay, and the angle between a tangent and a normal is 90. So this line is at an angle 60 degrees to the horizontal. So I will delete these lines. Okay. All right. So now to draw a tangent, so I'm going to take the line, then I will draw a line in this direction. Okay. So press a tab key on the keyboard and so input 27 plus 3 will give us 90. So now, so this line is at an angle 90 degrees to this line, but that is not where we are going to leave it. So I'll just take it like this and bring it to this point. So drop it here. Now, all right, so let's check the angle. So for the angle here, so for this angle, let's check the angle. The angle should be 90. All right, so let's see. So this is 90 degrees. So the angle between this line and this tangent, this line and this line is 90 degrees. So I'm going to make these two lines, I'm going to make them thick lines. So I will mash them. So I just click on this. I want to make them to be thick. So that is it. Okay. All right, so we have this now. So I'm going to label the point. So I will copy this one. Okay. So I will take it here, so drop it here, and then I will drop it here and drop it here. All right, so I'm going to edit them. Okay, so I want to delete this. So I'm going to edit this. So this point here is point Q. So PQ is normal, and this is point R. So and this point here is point S. All right, so we have this. So then I want to label them. So I'm going to take line and I will draw a line. So from here, I want to tell you what they are. So that's the purpose of doing this. All right, so then I'm going to copy this one. So I'll copy it and bring it here. And then I'll bring it here. Okay, so I will edit them. So I will edit them. So I edit this. So this is normal. All right, so that's it. So then if I edit this, so this is the tangent. All right, so that's it. So this is how to construct a normal and a tangent to a cycloid as we see it here. It's as simple as I've done it here. All you have to do is to practice. Thank you. Keep on practicing and God bless you.